Prizm NBA 19485. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 5 times. Here we go. If the Spurs are on top again, I'm suing random. I'd be very surprised. Wiz ran out all so random. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Houston Rockets. Bottom is the Orlando Magic. The Spurs have fallen in spot 23. 5 times. 23 is the Spurs. 19485. Oh, something very fun is going on out there. And save. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Kaleidoscopic Jimmy Butler, Jalen Green, and a James Nagy to 299. Not the Hornet you're looking for, apparently. James Nagy, Jalen Pickett, James Harden, Pulsar, T-Mac, Prizm Break Silver, Jason Tatum. They look really nice this year. I'm a fan. Julian Phillips, Triple J, Steph Curry, Phil Chris Johnson, Purple, Kyle Kuzma, number 99, Vasily Michic. Hood Jafino, Donovan Mitchell, Prizm Break, Silver Spencer Vinny, Red Wave Struss, Noah Clowney, Zion Williamson, Silver Jason Williams, Nicholas Batum, Red. Gigi Jackson, Nick Smith, Kaleidoscopic, Tariq Whitehead, Pulsar, Trey Jones Harper, Colin Castle. We've had a silver Luka auto, which has been very nice, Mark Miles. But nothing lower number than 49 just yet. So we're waiting on it. We've only just started though. Jaras Walker, Vucevic, Don Mitchell, Red Wave Aiden, Silver Cam Reddish, Demoy Hodge, Maxwell Lewis, Jed Howard, Sassy, Luka Doncic, Silver Fireworks, Cyrus Halliburton, and to 99, Purple, Jimmy Butler. So Jabari Rice. Jalen Clark. Prizm Break Butler. Silver, Zion Williamson. To 175, Jared Allen. Seth Lundy. OMP. Kawhi Leonard. Hyper, Jalen Clark. And to 109, Dennis Schroeder. We'll go up and have a drink of water probably after the blaster break. Armin Thompson, Fireworks Lillard, Silver Edwards, Silver Fractal, Jason Tatum. I do actually, I've always liked them when they've been in other products. I'm glad they made their way across. Victor Wembanyama, rookie, very nice for the Spurs there. Kobe Brown, Kevin Durant, Red Wave Garland, Silver, Leaky Black. And that is Prizm NBA 19485.